It can be a lot of fun to shop, to look for new clothes, maybe some home decor or furniture for your home. So let's have fun together at LiketoKnow.it. LiketoKnow.it is a simple and very popular app that has been used by more than 2 million shoppers in the last few years, searching for and purchasing fashion, home furnishings, and home decor. It's a wonderful venue for me because I love to share ideas and resources for women in midlife, for fashion, and also beautiful things for your home. I don't have an opportunity to share a lot of that on the blog on Inspire My Style. And with my background in interior decorating and home staging, I do love to put together ideas and resources in that regard as well. The LiketoKnow.it app is really easy to install and use, so I would love to show you how to do just that. On your Android or Apple phone, go to the App Store and locate LiketoKnow.it. Then download it and open it up. You'll see featured posts from influencers. You can easily scroll through them, stop at anything that attracts your attention, and if you tap on the image, you'll find that all of the links are shoppable, which is what makes the LiketoKnow.it app so fun and easy to use. Here is one of my posts called Fresh Fall Finds, where I have curated suggestions for fall decor for your home. It really is a simple way to shop, and I thoroughly enjoy curating these resources for you. These images basically show you what you'll look at as you scroll through a post and want more information. First, you see a graphic with all of the images on it. Underneath that, if you tap on the larger image, you'll see shoppable links for each of the individual items. The photo here on the right then also shows you the description. You can follow the influencer. It has everything you need. You can use the magnifying glass in the lower right corner of your screen to search for, for example, me, Inspire My Style, or any other influencer, any blogger that you happen to like and follow. You can check and see if they're also part of LiketoKnow.it. You just tap the follow button, and then you'll always see the posts of that particular influencer. You'll also see my latest posts from LiketoKnow.it in the sidebar of InspireMyStyle.com. If you click on any of them, you'll see all the details. For me, it's another way to stay in touch with all of you. And I will say that many times my LiketoKnow.it posts are unique to the app. You won't find them anywhere else. You can also search online at LiketoKnow.it/InspireMyStyle. So there you go. That's how you download to your phone and use the LiketoKnow.it app. I hope to see you there soon.